In this video, I'm going to teach you how to search PDF in Google Drive. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly filter through any files that you have on Google Drive and locate a specific one, in this example, PDF files. So if you are having trouble finding a specific file, you can either search for it by using its name. So if you remember the exact name, simply type it in the search function here. Or alternatively, what I recommend is that you go over to type, and in here you can filter through only PDF files. So you will find files that you uploaded, so files that you are the owner of, or files that other people have uploaded into Google Drive. So all that you have to do in this case is to filter through PDFs and choose a specific one. If you have a lot of files, you might want to use some of the other filters as well. So you can filter location, people, modified, and so on. Then once you find any of these files, open them up and you can preview them right here. So it's as simple as using the type filter. I believe that this is by far the best option available on Google Drive because it is going to single out every PDF file. And of course, you have other options. You have folders, documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and so on. So for example, if you have a folder that is filled with PDF files, then you can just filter by folders instead, open it up, and all of them will be inside. If you have ever opened any file that was shared with you, it should appear under this list. But if you haven't opened that PDF file yet, it isn't going to appear here. So you must have been shared the file, which means that you opened it at least once, or you must be the original owner of the file. If that's the case, then it will appear when you filter by type. And of course, you can also use the search function. I hope I was able to help you on how to search PDF in Google Drive. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.